multiplication of integers. So before multiplying the questions, we will know the multiplication of the symbols. So first, positive into positive, we get positive, and positive into negative equals negative. Negative into positive equals negative. At last, negative into negative equals positive. Now, plus into plus equals plus. Plus into minus equals minus. Minus into plus equals minus. And minus into minus equals plus. If for a number we have both the symbols as plus, then we get the answer in the plus. That is, we get the symbol in the plus. And if for the numbers we have the negative symbol, that is, both the symbols are equal here, so we get the answer in the positive, that is plus symbol. If for the two numbers the symbols are different, we get the answer in the negative form. So first, let's get into first question. Here, first question, we have the minus 5 into minus 7. So equals, first let's multiply the symbol, that is minus into minus. So here for minus into minus we have plus. Plus, now 5 times of 7, that is 35, because 5 sevens is 35. Answer is plus 35. Second question, minus 9 into 6. So for here we have minus 9. For 9 we have the negative symbol, and for 6 here we have no symbol, so we can consider it as plus 6. Now we have to multiply the symbols first. So equals, minus into plus we get minus, and 9 times of 6 is 54. So minus 54. Next, third question, 9 into minus 4. So for here we have 9, but here we can't see the symbol, so we can consider it as plus 9. Now equals, first we have to multiply the symbols. So plus into minus we get minus, and 9 times of 4 is 36. So minus 36. Next, fourth question. Here also for 8 we will get plus 8. So plus into minus is minus. 8 times of 7 is 56. So minus 56. Next, fifth question. For here, for the two numbers we have the same symbols, that is negative. So minus 124 into minus 1 equals. So minus into minus we get, here for minus into minus we get plus. So minus into minus is plus. 124 into 1 we get 124. Next, sixth question. Here also for both the numbers we have the same sign, that is minus. So minus into minus is plus, and 12 times of 7 is 84. 12 sevens are 84, so plus 84. Next, seventh question. Here minus 63 into minus 7. Again same symbols we got. So minus into minus is plus. 63 into 7 we get 441. Last, eighth question. Here for 7 we have the minus, and for 15 we will get plus. So minus into plus is minus. 7 into 15 is 105. So minus 7 into 15 is minus 105.